Hi everyone! Today we're going to be talking about the special U sound. If you use English, you're used to difficult pronunciations. U is one of those. You can hear the special U in a sentence like, I'm from Utah, a beautiful utopia. Or you can maintain the illusion of youth with a unique perfume. The U sound is distinct from the U sound, which you can hear in a sentence like, don't lose your new glue. Is it true that you use a beautiful blue unicycle? There are two words in the sentence with oo sounds, and those are true and blue. Whereas there are many words with a U sound: beautiful, U, and unicycle. Other examples of the U sound are argue, arguably, unique, university, as in you can study the universe at the university. We can also hear the U sound in huge, or in a word like music. I'm a huge fan of music. Remember, when you see two words that look like they could have the U sound, make sure to distinguish if they are simply an oo or they have a y sound at the beginning, like you are universally loved. Have a great day. Bye-bye, everyone.